Nevada Highway Patrol, Nye County Sheriff's Office deputies, and Pahrump Valley Fire and Rescue were dispatched to a two-vehicle accident late this afternoon on a dirt road behind the Holiday Inn Express. They eventually located the two vehicles, with one person entrapped off a Wheeler Pass road. Pahrump Valley Fire and Rescue medics were able to extricate that individual who was mechanically entrapped. One person was transported to Desert View Hospital by ground ambulance. Nye County Sheriff's deputies are investigating the cause of this accident. Both vehicles, which are pickup trucks, sustained major damage.